What if I told you that the secret to acing your next exam and finishing your homework in half the time is already right in front of you? And no, it's not more coffee or pulling all-nighters. If school has been stressing you out, making you feel overwhelmed, or leaving you confused most nights, this video might completely change the way you learn. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is the place where we break down smart ways to use technology to improve your life and learning. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and how it can completely transform the way you study and handle homework. AI isn't just for tech experts or programmers anymore. It's a powerful tool that students at every level can use to learn faster, understand better, and reduce stress. Let's be honest for a moment. Traditional studying can be frustrating. You read the same paragraph over and over, attend classes that move too fast or too slow, and still feel lost when exams come around. The biggest problem is that school usually teaches everyone the same way, even though we all learn differently. Some people learn best by reading, others by listening, and some by practicing. This is where AI really shines. AI-powered learning tools can analyze how you learn, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and create a personalized study plan just for you. If there's a topic you're struggling with, AI slows things down and gives you extra explanations, examples, and practice questions. If there's something you already understand, it moves on instead of wasting your time. It's like having a private tutor who understands you and adjusts to your learning style at any moment of the day. Another major benefit of AI is instant summarization. Students today deal with a huge amount of information: textbooks, research papers, lecture notes, and online articles. Reading everything from start to finish isn't always realistic. AI can quickly read long materials and turn them into clear, easy-to-understand summaries, highlighting the most important points and ideas. This helps you grasp the core concepts faster and makes revision much more effective, especially when exams are close and time is limited. Research is another area where AI can save you a lot of frustration. Searching for reliable information online can feel overwhelming, with thousands of results and no clear idea which sources to trust. AI research tools go beyond basic search engines by understanding context and meaning. They help you find credible sources, academic articles, and relevant information much faster. Some tools can even show different perspectives on a topic, helping you build stronger arguments for essays and projects. Testing yourself is one of the most powerful ways to learn, but creating good practice questions takes time. AI solves this problem by generating unlimited quizzes based on your actual study material. You can focus on specific topics, choose different difficulty levels, and get instant feedback with clear explanations. This allows you to identify weak areas early and fix them before the real exam. Studying becomes more interactive, more engaging, and far more effective. Writing assignments are another major challenge for many students. Whether it's essays, reports, or presentations, expressing ideas clearly isn't always easy. AI writing tools help improve grammar, sentence structure, clarity, and flow. They can suggest better ways to phrase ideas, organize thoughts, and polish your work. This doesn't mean AI is doing the work for you. Instead, it helps you learn how to write better over time, building confidence and improving your communication skills. Language learning is also being transformed by AI. If you're studying a foreign language or reading material written in another language, AI tools can translate text accurately while explaining meanings, grammar, and context. Beyond translation, AI language tutors help with vocabulary practice, pronunciation, and even conversation. You can practice speaking with an AI that gives instant feedback and never gets tired, making language learning easier and more accessible than ever. One of the most impressive uses of AI is in solving complex problems. Subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, and coding often require step-by-step reasoning, and missing one step can make everything confusing. AI tools can break these problems down clearly, explaining each step and the logic behind it. Instead of memorizing answers, you begin to understand how problems work, which builds real confidence and long-term mastery. When you look at everything together, AI offers students an incredible advantage. It personalizes learning, saves time, reduces stress, and helps you understand subjects more deeply. The key is not to depend on AI blindly, but to use it intentionally as a learning partner. Try different tools, experiment with what works best for you, and gradually make AI part of your study routine. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these AI study benefits are you most excited to try first? Is it personalized learning, instant summaries, research help, practice quizzes, writing support, language learning, or problem solving? Let me know in the comments. I'd really love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.